According to Nigerian Constitution, see the section that may make Tinubus swearing in on May 29th unstoppable, as revealed by a son. Wow. Tinubus swearing in can still be possible. What really is that condition? Because this very section is the very section that proved Tinubu not okay to be sworn in, is something that is generally acceptable, not just here in Nigeria but also in other countries. So what is the condition, or what is the plan, or the chances that Bola Ahmed Tinubu still have to make it as president? Okay. According to this very son, Femi Falana, they came up with an assertion saying that it is still possible. He said, who is saying that it's not possible, and why will they be be castigating and turning down the constitution because that very section is against it? It's still possible, Falana said. Okay, let's quickly check what Falana is trying to say, and what is that very thing that can still make Tinubu's swearing in to be possible. Let's check the content. This is Morning News. Femi Falana, son, a human rights attorney, asserts that votes cast throughout Nigeria are equal, and that Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory, has been understood as the 37th state of the Union. In response to the 2023 presidential election, Section 134 of the 1999 Constitution has come under scrutiny. He was making a comment about this. Falana, however, stated on Channels Television's Sunday Politics that he will not be making a firm statement on the matter at this time because it has developed into a serious legal case that is currently pending in court, noting that court ruling on Abuja's status already exists. About a month before the presidential election on January 23rd of this year, I voiced my opinion regarding Section 134 of the Constitution. I had offered a legal opinion at the time. So when lawyers began to politicize that section of the law, I was very hesitant to jump on board. I did say that Nigeria has no electoral college. Thus, all votes cast or counted throughout the nations are equal. The winner of a presidential election must specifically comply with the requirements set forth in Section 134 of the Constitution. The first is to receive the majority of valid votes, and the second is a 2/3 majority of the states plus the Federal Capital Territory in terms of territorial spread. I didn't see any controversy at the pertinent time, and that is when I expressed my opinion, because the FCT has been considered the 37th state in Nigeria for purposes of the Constitution, he stated. My dear, Tinubu might not be sworn in. Let's forget whatever. I know they are lawyers, What is obtainable here in Nigeria is what the lawyers are quoting out. Do you understand? It may be obtainable in other countries, but here in Nigeria, this is what they say is the condition that can make Tinubu to be sworn in, of which the INEC chairman will not say that he is not aware of. A professor for that matter. Oh my God. See, let me tell you, so this thing is very painful. It's very, very painful. Because this is what is causing the riots and the crisis that is going on today. If they have listened to the voice of the people agitating, like when Dino Melayo tried to stop the process in Collation Center, if they have listened to him, I'm very sure that there would have been a way out. But now that he has declared Tinubu the president, my dear, I tell you, one, it will be difficult to take it away from him, one, but know it that he will not be sworn in. What we end up all of these is interim, I tell you, and you'll be surprised to see this. Even Bola Ahmed Tinubu himself will be amazed to see this. So what are we talking about? So, my dear people, don't feel rejected, don't feel populist. It's one of those things, okay? All right, let's quickly get your opinion on this very matter. Let's know what your take, what your opinion, and what your advice on this may be. Don't forget to leave them below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.